Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast open field. The sun is rising, casting a warm glow across the landscape. You feel the gentle breeze on your skin and the dew-covered grass beneath your feet. This moment right here is a new beginning. It's a chance to start fresh, to let go of the past, and to embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. You see, life is a journey, and every step you take is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become the best version of yourself. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind, to feel like you're stuck in a rut, or to believe that your dreams are out of reach. But I'm here to tell you that everything you desire is within your grasp. You have the power to create the life you've always wanted. It all starts with your mindset. Your thoughts have incredible power. They shape your beliefs, your actions, and ultimately your reality. If you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough, that you'll never succeed, or that happiness is unattainable, then that's precisely what you'll experience. But if you choose to focus on the positive, to believe in yourself, and to cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you'll unlock a world of abundance and joy. You see, the universe is always listening. It responds to the energy you put out into the world. If you radiate fear, doubt, and negativity, you'll attract more of the same. But if you emanate love, confidence, and positivity, you'll draw those things back to you in abundance. It's the law of attraction. And it's always at work, whether you realize it or not. So how do you harness this power? How do you align yourself with the energy of success and happiness? It starts with gratitude. Take a moment each day to appreciate the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Maybe it's a warm cup of coffee in the morning, a kind word from a friend, or a beautiful sunset. When you focus on the good, you'll find that more goodness flows into your life. Next, visualize your dreams. Close your eyes and picture yourself living the life you desire. See yourself in vivid detail as if it's already your reality. Feel the emotions that come with achieving your goals, whether it's joy, excitement, or a sense of fulfillment. The more clearly you can imagine your ideal life, the more likely you are to manifest it. But visualization alone isn't enough. You must also take action. Dreams without action are just wishes. To make your dreams a reality, you need to start taking steps, no matter how small, in the direction of your goals. It might be scary at first, and you might face obstacles along the way, but remember that every challenge is an opportunity to grow and learn. One of the most important things you can do on your journey is to surround yourself with positive, supportive people. The company you keep has a profound impact on your life. If you surround yourself with negative, toxic individuals who constantly bring you down, you'll find it hard to rise above their influence. But if you seek out people who inspire you, who believe in you, and who push you to be your best self, you'll find that their energy is contagious. Remember, growth often lies outside your comfort zone. If you want to achieve great things, you must be willing to take risks, to face your fears, and to push yourself beyond what you thought was possible. It's in these moments of discomfort that you'll discover your true strength and resilience. As you navigate this journey of life, there will be times when you stumble, when you face setbacks, and when you question yourself. But I want you to remember that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success. Every mistake, every misstep is an opportunity to learn and grow. The most successful people in the world are not those who never fail, but those who refuse to give up in the face of failure. So embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Remember that progress is rarely linear. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns, but as long as you keep putting one foot in front of the other, you'll get to where you want to be. Another key to achieving your dreams is to practice self-discipline. Success rarely comes overnight. It's the result of consistent, focused effort over time. It means showing up day after day, even when you don't feel like it, and putting in the work. It means saying no to short-term pleasures in favor of long-term gains. It means being willing to make sacrifices in the present for a better future. But self-discipline doesn't mean being hard on yourself. It's important to balance hard work with self-care. Take time to rest, recharge, and do things that bring you joy. Whether it's reading a book, taking a bubble bath, or going for a nature walk, make sure you're filling your own cup so that you have the energy and resilience to pursue your dreams. As you work towards your goals, remember to celebrate your victories along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Did you face a fear today? Celebrate that. Did you take a step towards your dream, even if it was just a baby step? Celebrate that. Acknowledging your progress helps to keep you motivated and reminds you that you're on the right track. It's also important to practice patience. We live in a world of instant gratification where we expect results immediately. But the truth is, good things take time. Just as a seed doesn't become a tree overnight, your dreams won't manifest instantly. Trust the process and trust the timing of your life. Everything happens for a reason. And every delay or detour is an opportunity for growth and learning. Remember, you are the author of your own story. You have the power to choose the narrative of your life. Will it be a story of fear, limitations, and regrets? Or will it be a story of courage, growth, and fulfillment? The choice is yours. So as you stand at the edge of this metaphorical field, ready to embark on the next chapter of your life, I want you to take a deep breath. Feel the energy of possibility coursing through your veins. You are capable of amazing things. You have unique gifts and talents that the world needs. Don't let anyone dim your light or tell you that your dreams are too big. Start each day with intention. Set your mind on what you want to achieve and then take action, no matter how small, towards those goals. Remember that every journey begins with a single step. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step in faith. Surround yourself with positivity, whether it's uplifting books, inspiring podcasts, or supportive friends. Fill your mind with messages that empower and encourage you. When you feed your mind with positivity, you'll find that your entire outlook on life begins to shift. Practice gratitude daily. No matter what challenges you're facing, there is always something to be thankful for. Maybe it's your health, your family, or a roof over your head. Focusing on gratitude helps to shift your perspective from one of lack to one of abundance. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. There are people who love and support you, even if you can't see them right now. Reach out for help when you need it, and be willing to offer help to others in return. We are all in this together, and we rise by lifting others. Most importantly, never give up on yourself. There will be times when you doubt your abilities, when you question your worth, and when you feel like giving up. But I want you to remember that you are stronger than you know. You have overcome challenges before, and you will overcome them again. Keep pushing forward, keep believing in yourself, and keep reaching for your dreams. In the end, the journey of life is not about the destination, but about who you become along the way. Every experience, every challenge, every triumph shapes you into the person you are meant to be. Embrace the journey, learn from it, and grow through it. So as you step into this new day, remember that you have the power to create the life you desire. You are worthy of love, happiness, and success. You are capable of overcoming any obstacle that stands in your way. Believe in yourself, take action towards your dreams, and trust that the universe has your back. The world is waiting for your unique gifts and talents. Don't keep them hidden away. Share them boldly, unapologetically, and with love. You never know whose life you might change simply by being yourself. Remember, success is not about perfection. It's about progress, growth, and being willing to show up as your authentic self each and every day. So embrace your quirks, your flaws, and your unique qualities. They are what make you special. As you go through your day, look for opportunities to spread kindness and positivity. A simple smile, a kind word, or a helping hand can make all the difference in someone's life. When you focus on making a positive impact, you'll find that your own life becomes more fulfilling in return. Finally, remember that life is a gift. Every breath, every heartbeat, every moment is a precious opportunity to experience the beauty and wonder of this world. Don't take it for granted. Live each day to the fullest with passion, purpose, and gratitude. You are capable of incredible things. You have the power to overcome any challenge, to achieve any dream, and to create a life that fills you with joy and fulfillment. Believe in yourself, take action, and trust the journey. As the sun continues to rise over that open field, I want you to feel the warmth of its rays on your skin. Let it be a reminder that a new day is dawning, filled with endless possibilities. Step into this day with courage, with hope, and with the knowledge that you are exactly where you're meant to be. Remember, you are not defined by your past, but by the choices you make in this present moment. Choose to be kind to yourself, to believe in your dreams, and to take steps towards the life you desire. Choose to be the hero of your own story. The journey ahead may not be easy, but it will be worth it. Every challenge you face will make you stronger. Every setback will teach you resilience, and every triumph will fill you with the confidence to keep going. So take a deep breath, square your shoulders, and step forward with faith. The life you've always dreamed of is waiting for you. All you have to do is believe in yourself, take action, and trust the process. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. You have a unique purpose and a special role to play in this world. Don't let anyone dim your light or tell you that your dreams are too big. Keep shining, keep growing, and keep reaching for the stars. The world needs your gifts, your talents, and your unique perspective. Don't keep them hidden away. Share them boldly, unapologetically, and with love. You never know whose life you might change simply by being yourself. As you navigate the twists and turns of life, remember to stay anchored in gratitude, to surround yourself with positivity, and to keep taking steps towards your dreams. Trust that every experience, whether good or bad, is shaping you into the person you're meant to become. And above all, remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are capable of creating a life beyond your wildest dreams. Believe in yourself, take action, and trust the journey. As the sun reaches its peak in the sky, I want you to feel the energy of possibility coursing through your veins. You are standing at the threshold of a new chapter filled with endless opportunities for growth, love, and fulfillment. Step into this new chapter with courage, with hope, and with the knowledge that the universe has your back. You are exactly where you're meant to be, and everything you need to succeed is already within you. So take a deep breath, smile at the possibilities ahead, and take that first step forward. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and today you are taking that step towards the life of your dreams. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There are people who love and support you, and the universe is conspiring in your favor. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and keep moving forward. The world is waiting for you to shine your light. Don't keep it hidden away. Let it shine brightly, illuminating the path for others and lighting up the world with your unique brilliance. You are capable of incredible things. You have the power to overcome any challenge, to achieve any dream, and to create a life that fills you with joy and purpose. Believe in yourself, take action, and trust the journey. As you step into this new day, remember that you are the author of your own story. Make it a story of courage, resilience, and unbridled joy. Make it a story that inspires others and leaves a legacy of love and positivity. The journey ahead may not be easy, but it will be worth it. Every challenge will make you stronger. Every setback will teach you wisdom. And every triumph will fill you with the courage to keep going. So take a deep breath, feel the energy of possibility flowing through you, and step forward with confidence. The life you've always dreamed of is waiting for you. All you have to do is believe in yourself, take action, and trust the process. Remember, you are worthy of love, happiness, and success. You are capable of amazing things, and the world needs your unique gifts and talents. Don't keep them hidden away. Share them boldly, unapologetically, and with love. As you navigate the twists and turns of life, remember to stay anchored in gratitude, to surround yourself with positivity, and to keep taking steps towards your dreams. Trust that every experience is shaping you into the person you're meant to become. And above all, remember that you are not defined by your past, but by the choices you make in this present moment. Choose to be kind to yourself, to believe in your dreams, and to take steps towards the life you desire. Choose to be the hero of your own story. The sun is shining, the world is waiting, and the possibilities are endless. Step into this new day with courage, with hope, and with the knowledge that you have everything you need to create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Believe in yourself, take action, and trust the journey. The best is yet to come, and it all starts with you. So take a deep breath, smile at the possibilities ahead, and take that first step forward. The world is waiting for you to shine.